When you edit a post or page, the SEO Booster Keyword Analysis widget appears, displaying the keywords that brought visitors to your page from Google. Use the search field to quickly narrow down the list of keywords and find specific terms you're interested in. This table is for your analysis only. You cannot edit any keyword here. It provides crucial information to help you determine how to optimize your content for better search performance. Need to reuse a keyword? Click the copy icon next to any keyword to copy it to your clipboard. You can also select multiple keywords and use Copy All to quickly copy them all at once. Explore the insights in your SEO Booster Keyword Analysis widget to optimize your content and boost your SEO strategy page by page. For more tips and updates, subscribe to our newsletter and follow our blog at SEOBoosterPro.com.